Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini keeps signing you out. So first thing first, this might be a technical glitch. So head over to your Play Store or App Store depending upon the device that you're using. And here simply type in Gemini. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Go ahead, select open and start using it. Now, if it's still signing you out, what you have to do is clear the cache. This happens when your phone has collected a lot of cache or junked files. Long tap onto it, select the eye icon. You will get landed onto a settings page. Here, scroll below and go for storage. If you see cache, you have to clear it. And if you remember your credentials, like your email address, clear the data, select delete. Come back onto App Info page, select Force Stop, and then OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch a Gemini application, and this will fix the problem. Now restart your device, launch a CapCut, and it should work.